How to buy Roblox Premium with credit card. Hello everyone, this is Neha from Create, Login and Delete, and today in this video presentation we'll be talking about buying Roblox Premium with a credit card. So let's get started. First of all, you have to launch a web browser in your computer or your mobile device and type in roblox.com in the search bar and hit enter. Then you will be landed to the official homepage of Roblox, and make sure that you're logged into your specific account. By following these guidelines, you can easily explore the various packages, including the premium choices customized to your requirements. First of all, you just have to click on Get Premium option, that is in the bottom right corner of the screen, highlighted in white color. Click on it. And as soon as you do that, you will get the option of Get Premium. You're supposed to click on it again, and then it will take you to your premium membership. And now here you can see the premium option for 4.99 euros, 9.99 euros per month, and 19.99 euros per month, where you can get 450 Robux each month if you subscribe to the first one, and you get 1000 Robux each month if you subscribe to the second one, and you will get 2200 Robux each month if you subscribe to the premium. So let's go for the first one, premium 450. Click on subscribe now option, and here in this page simply select the credit card option, that is just above the debit card. Click on it. Once you've inputted your credit card information such as the number, expiry date, and security code, make sure to agree to the terms and conditions before finalizing the purchase. If needed, provide an additional email address for the confirmation and confirm the total amount. Check for any additional charges and ensure that your credit card has adequate funds for the transaction to go through promptly. Upon successful payment, you will immediately access your Roblox Premium plan, giving you the flexibility to manage it at your convenience. So I trust that this comprehensive tutorial has helped you purchase Roblox Premium using your credit card. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thank you for your viewership and support. See you in the next one.